Good morning. Today I'm going to do a video on finding top dead center. That is when the piston is at its compression stroke. This is needed for when you do rocker box gasket replacement. With that, I'm going to remove both spark plugs. By doing this, it makes it easier to rotate the rear tire. One plug. Second plug. Now I'm going to pull the breaker. Okay. Now we have no power. Now to make things easier, I'm going to put this in fifth. Spin the back. Second, third, fourth, fifth. That's in fifth. That will make it easier to rotate the pistons. What I'm going to do now is I got this rubber tube. That will let me feel where the piston is. You can see it's all the way down. Now a rubber tube cannot do no damage. So now just keep it just like that. It's not all the way in, it's right here. Now by sitting just like this, you'll hear it. Let's check it. Okay. Let's get this wire out of the way. Now we're still going down. You'll feel it. That right there is on the exhaust. When you're on the compression stroke, you will feel it out of the spark plug hole. That's top dead center on the exhaust. We need to have it on the compression. Now you heard that. There you go. Top dead center. You can see. If you do this once or twice, you'll get the feel from when you hear the compression. All right, I put the plugs back, tighten them up. Make sure the bike is back in neutral. It's in fifth. That should be neutral. All right, 30 amp is back in. Now let's check it for neutral. And there we go, we got neutral. Put the breaker back in place. Cover back on. Everything is all back. Neutral, we're done. All right, that's how you find top dead center. That's how I do it. It's the easiest way. And then you're able to remove the tank, the seat, 30 amp, and get to these rocker boxes. Now, we found top dead center in the real one. When you go to do the front one, you gotta find top dead center for this one. And everything works out nice. Any questions, just ask. If you could, please subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment. Have a great day and ride safe.